Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you with the wig install tutorial, and I just want to show you all the hair that I will be using for this wig install. It is the Vella Vella Collection by Sensual 24-inch water deep lace front wig, and it has a 4.5 wide and deep lace part. Kind of reminds me of a T-part wig just because it only has that middle section. And yes, y'all, when I tell you, when I opened up this hair out the box, it was very soft. It did have a little weird smell to it, but it's cool because I'm going to wash it anyway before I apply it to my client's hair. And I also will put the link down below to this specific type of hair that I am using so you all could purchase as well. I'm just going to show you how I customize it, the things that I use. I also plucked the front just a little bit. I didn't show that, but I will show you the end on how it looked after I had bleached the knots and plucked the frontal. Well, yes, plucked the frontal, aka T-part wig. And so what I'll be using is this BW2 powder. I am going to also use a 40 volume developer just so I can get a higher lift so it could process a little quicker. But I'm not going to lie, y'all, when I did this, I had to do it like 2 or 3 times because it was being for some reason, it was being so stubborn on trying to get those little dark spots out the lace. But it's cool. It ended up coming out and raising to a nice brown so it could look just like scalp. So yeah, y'all just continue watching and I will show you the end results after I had plucked and bleached the knots. So y'all just stay tuned. So now I am about to do the wig install, and I will be using the Gots to Be gel glue. And all I'm going to do is slick back her edges. Before I did this, I had wiped her forehead with alcohol first, and I am using the Erica J line. So I have the Skin Guard protectant, and I just did alcohol and sprayed that, and then I kind of let it dry it up, and then I began to use that Gots to Be gel glue, and I'm just slicking her edges back just to make sure that they're out the way before that I apply the wig. And I am also going to take a edge scarf and just make sure that the edges are back and laid, and I'm going to let her sit for like maybe 3 to 5 minutes, not too long, just before I apply the glue. So once I let her sit, I put her wig that we customized the day before onto her head, and I am making sure that it's fitting snug and secure. And then I'm just going to go to the back and attach those hooks. You know, it's kind of like a bra strap when you want to make sure everything is in place and it's holding and it's secure. So I'm just making sure that is lined up to cover. She has like a little widow's peak too, so just to cover up her widow's peak and just to make sure that it's going nowhere in the back. So yes, so that's what you'll see me doing right here. After I do that, you're gonna see me cut off her ear tabs just so it can sit perfectly on her head, and then I will begin to apply the glue. I'm going to do about 3 layers just so that I know that the wig is not going to go anywhere. And yeah, y'all, I'm talking. I know y'all, I'm talking a little faster than what the video is going, but I'm just going to let y'all watch. I don't want to do too much talking, but I'm just going to let y'all watch exactly everything that I'm doing. I hope this helps you all when you are applying your wig. And yeah, y'all just enjoy the rest of this video, and I'm gonna show the end results. And like I said, y'all, this is her very, very first wig. I don't think I told y'all, but this is her very first wig install, and she was super hyped and super excited about it. And y'all, it came out so beautiful, so beautiful. So yeah, y'all just continue to watch this video, and y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all soon.
Chris Allen. Chris Allen. Chris Allen. Chris Island. Chris Island.
Alright, show them folks. What's up, Bread with the wig install, period. Who slayed that, period?
You did.
Yes, period.
Deanna Slade.
Yes.
The wet and curly.
Y'all follow her YouTube.
My YouTube channel
Yes.
is Brittany Kenyatta. BRITTANY.
Yes. I'm gonna put it up in the description. Put it in the description, and I'm gonna put it on the screen. Y'all should see it on the screen. Come in a little bit more so they can see that part.
Period.
Show the baby hairs. Ooh, period.